Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you're doing well. So I have a nice organic grass-fed beef stir fry here that I made in my own teriyaki kind of sauce. So we have Thai dried lemongrass, water chestnuts organic baby corn, organic chili flakes, we got garlic, we got ginger, you put water, you put a little bit of raw natural cane sugar, then you put a little bit of organic raw non-GMO honey. Did I say? Oh yes, and organic soy sauce. Water. I think I said that. You make sure to add enough water so that it can reduce down. This is going to be served with organic clover tea on the side and organic white non-GMO basmati rice. The flavor is going to be wonderful. I highly encourage you to practice making sauces from scratch and to not always have to buy your sauces, because when you start to learn how to make your own, it really enhances the flavor of your food. And the scent as you cook your food really lights up the house. Really makes you feel relaxed as well. I enjoy cooking, and if you practice making some sauces, you'll just get better and better. I hope you get inspired to start cooking and hit up your local spice shops, order online, see what you can do with what you have access to. I love Asian food. I never get tired of it, and so I wanted to make that today for my family. Mashallah. And this is what it looks like served. Mashallah.